Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete and reinstall AOL Mail on your phone. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Go ahead and locate AOL Mail. Tap on AOL Mail and click on Uninstall. After that, click OK. After a while, you can notice that AOL Mail will now be uninstalled from your phone. What you need to do to reinstall it is go to the Play Store. Open Play Store on your phone and search for AOL. After you search for it, it will appear. Tap on AOL and click on Install. Talking about AOL, you can see that AOL is an app which will simplify your digital life with AOL Mail. It is secure and fast email service which will also provide you some news and weather reports. You can use this app and it can easily be an alternative for Gmail or your Yahoo Mail. So guys, this is how you delete and reinstall AOL Mail on your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.